Hey everyone, back at it again with another how-to series. Today we're going to talk about the snatch and clean and jerk. So, you want to improve strength, you want to look to improve your flexibility, maybe improve your muscular power, so sprinting and jumping. Snatch and clean and jerk are for you. We're going to talk about them next. Alright, so first we're going to talk about the snatch. Snatch is going to be from the floor to overhead in one movement. So we're going to come all the way from that floor position, all the way into an overhead squat. We'll talk a little bit more specifics a little bit later on. Our second movement is going to be our clean and jerk. So that's from the floor to overhead in two movements. Same starting position as the snatch, but instead of catching that bar in the overhead squat, we're going to catch in that front squat and using some variation of a jerk to get that bar overhead. Either in that power jerk, split, there's a couple of different variations there. Now, before we even talk about positions or patterns, technique, we need to make sure we have the proper flexibility to get in those positions. So there's three positions you need to work on.
So overhead squat, you will grab that bar at least wider than shoulder width, and trying to keep that bar directly over your hips, you'll come into a full squat position. So your hips at least freaking parallel, and you want to try to have your torso as upright as possible. Second position is going to be your RDL or your hinge position. So grabbing that bar slightly hip width apart, having that bar sit right in the crease of your hips, and then loading the hips by softening the knees, pushing the hips directly back behind you. Last position would be your split jerk. Now, whether you decide to split jerk or power jerk or squat jerk, this is a good prerequisite position to work on to learn the jerk, etc. So we're looking for a partial lunge position. The shin is completely perpendicular to the floor. We're looking for the thighs slightly above 90 degrees, and with the back knee bent and with the heel off the ground.
So those are three positions you really need to drill before you even talk about learning how to snatch or clean and jerk. If you like to learn more about more specifics and actually how to do the full movements, check out our small group class. We actually have an Olympic weightlifting small group class you can check out and learn more about the snatch and clean and jerk.